In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Framer, and we'll do it in about 5 minutes. Managing your projects effectively is crucial, especially when you're working with a platform that's all about creating professional websites without a single line of code. Framer is quite popular among designers because it offers both ease and power. But sometimes, you might end up with projects that need to be removed to declutter your workspace. Let's dive into the steps for doing just that. First things first, you need to navigate to Framer's homepage. If you're not familiar, Framer is a no-code website builder that allows designers to quickly create dynamic and beautiful websites. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is straightforward. Click on the Login button. You'll find it at the top right corner of the page. Logging in is essential, as it ensures you have access to all your projects and settings. After a successful login, you'll be directed to your Framer home. This is essentially your dashboard, where you can view and manage all of your ongoing projects. Take a moment to appreciate this hub of creativity before proceeding to the next step. Now, you need to locate the project you wish to delete. All your projects should be displayed here, so select the one you want by simply clicking on it. This action opens up the project, allowing you to interact with it fully. With the project open, all the various options for managing it become accessible. What we're looking for is a discrete three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options or Overflow menu, typically found in corners of interfaces. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with several options. Once you open the menu, look for the Open Settings option and click it. This step will take you into a more detailed view where you can see various settings pertaining to your chosen project. Once inside the settings, the option you're looking for now is Archive. The archiving feature is Framer's way of helping users manage and perhaps revisit past projects without them cluttering the present workspace. By archiving a project, it's removed from your active projects list but isn't fully deleted, allowing room for errors or changes of heart. And that's it! You've successfully removed a project from your active workspace in Framer. Remember, archiving doesn't delete your project permanently. It's a handy feature that helps keep your workspace clean while retaining the opportunity to restore projects if necessary. Stay organized and happy designing with Framer.